In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Amazon Buy with Prime for Shopify, an excellent feature that can bolster your e-commerce efficiency by integrating trusted Amazon functionality directly into your Shopify store. To get started, head over to your Shopify admin panel and look for the Apps section. This area is your gateway to a wide array of functionalities that can extend the capabilities of your store. Once you're in the Apps section, you're going to want to find the search bar. It should be right at the top, easy to spot. In the search field, type Libatech Amazon Buy button. Or you could search for a similar app that offers the functionality you need if Libatech Amazon Buy button doesn't appear for some reason. This step ensures you're focusing on finding the specific application designed to integrate Amazon's Buy with Prime button into your Shopify store. Taking the time to locate the right app can save you numerous complications later on. After finding the app, you'll notice an Install button next to it. Click on that, and you'll usually be prompted with some permissions or terms of service that you should review. Installing an app often requires your confirmation to access certain store data, so make sure you understand what you're agreeing to. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and hit Install again for confirmation. This second step is crucial to ensure that the app has been properly added to your Shopify environment. With the app installed, you'll next want to choose which products you'd like to enhance with this feature. The integration is seamless, and you'll see an option that says Select to add products within the app settings. Clicking Select will bring up a list of all your Shopify products. From this list, you can pick and choose which items you want to associate with the Amazon Buy with Prime feature. This is your chance to strategically enhance the purchasing process for your customers by selecting items that you believe will benefit most from the streamlined checkout process Amazon offers. It might be a good idea to start with your best-selling products, or those items you believe have the potential to see a sales increase with the faster, more trusted purchasing option. By following these steps, you'll have successfully added the Amazon Buy with Prime button to your Shopify store. This feature not only enhances customer convenience by offering a trusted, streamlined checkout experience, but can also increase your conversion rates. Remember that as your business grows, continually revisiting your settings and integrations to ensure the best performance is a smart practice. If you encounter any issues or have any questions during the process, most of these apps have customer support teams ready to help. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you enhance your Shopify store effectively.